What if I told you time travel is real? Yes, you heard that right. Time travel isn't just a figment of science fiction or a plot device in blockbuster movies. It's a phenomenon grounded in the very fabric of our universe. But before you start imagining DeLoreans or TARDISes, let me clarify, it's not like in the movies. No, not like in the movies, but thanks to Einstein's theory of relativity, we have a deeper understanding of how time works. Einstein proposed that time is not a constant, unchanging entity, instead it's flexible and can be influenced by speed and gravity. This groundbreaking idea changed our perception of time forever. Time actually moves slower for some people compared to others. Imagine you're on a high-speed train, racing across the countryside. According to Einstein, time for you on that train would pass just a bit slower than for someone standing still on the ground. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's been proven through experiments. This is called time dilation. Time dilation occurs because the speed at which you're moving affects the passage of time. The faster you go, the more pronounced the effect. This has been confirmed by precise atomic clocks placed on fast-moving jets and satellites. The faster you move or the closer you are to a massive object, the more time slows down for you. This isn't just a quirky side effect, it's a fundamental aspect of our universe. You are to a massive object like a black hole or a massive planet, the slower time passes for you. The immense gravitational pull of these objects warps space-time, causing time to stretch out. The slower time passes for you compared to someone else. This means that if you were to spend time near a black hole, you would age more slowly compared to someone far away from it, compared to someone else. This isn't just a theoretical idea, it's been observed in real-life scenarios. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually experience time dilation, because they're moving at high speeds while orbiting Earth. Time for them passes slightly slower than for people on the ground, actually age a tiny bit slower than people on Earth because of this high-speed travel. Over the course of their missions, this difference is minuscule, just a few milliseconds, but it's measurable and real, than people on Earth because they're moving at high speeds. This phenomenon has been confirmed through various experiments and observations, making it one of the most fascinating aspects of modern physics. They're moving at high speeds. It's only by milliseconds, but the effect is real. Now let's take this concept even further. It's only by milliseconds, but imagine if we could travel at speeds close to the speed of light. The effects of time dilation would become much more pronounced. The effect is real. Now imagine traveling close to the speed of light. Years could pass for people on Earth, but for you, it might feel like only days. This isn't just a wild idea, it's a prediction based on the equations of relativity. Now imagine traveling close to the speed of light. If you could somehow achieve this, the time dilation effect would be so extreme that you could travel into the future. Years could pass for people on Earth, but for you, it might feel like only days. This means that while decades or even centuries pass on Earth, you would only experience a fraction of that time, but for you, it might feel like only days. In a way, you'd be traveling into the future. This isn't just a theoretical possibility, it's a consequence of the laws of physics as we understand them. In a way, you'd be traveling into the future. Time dilation proves that time isn't as fixed as we think. Our everyday experience of time is just a small part of a much larger, more complex reality. Time dilation proves that time isn't as fixed as we think. It's a dynamic, flexible dimension that can be stretched and compressed under the right conditions, as fixed as we think. So if you want to time travel, you don't need a magical device or a wormhole. So if you want to time travel, all you need is a spaceship, and a lot of speed. The faster you go, the more you can stretch time and experience the future in a way that's completely different from our everyday lives. All you need is a spaceship, and a lot of speed. While we may not have the technology to achieve such speeds yet, the principles are there, waiting for us to unlock their full potential, and a lot of speed. The universe is full of wonders, and time travel, in its own unique way, is one of them. Subscribe for more mind-blowing space facts. Stay curious, and keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos.